So, what is the next big thing for the leader in sensitive skincare? Well, let's find out by taking a quick look back at the incredible journey this brand has taken over the past year. Everybody, eyes to the screen.
Sensitive skincare has been the talk of 2025, seeing the latest products, breakthroughs, and formulations in the span of 12 months. Despite all the noise, Cetaphil has been the category leader of sensitive skin science for more than 75 years. And it's thanks to you, we continue to be the most trusted brand by dermatologists and Filipinos. But here's the thing, being the most prescribed skincare brand among dermatologists isn't just a title. Because caring for sensitive skin is what we love to do, and the standard we refuse to lower. We heard all of your sensitive skin questions. That's why this year, we delivered science-backed solutions by educating and answering real skin concerns through educational expert-led activations, learning there's more to your sensitive skin. And to help you live your best life and lifestyle from your passions to your interests, we expanded our innovation into more relatable spaces, meeting you in moments and communities that matter to you. Beyond our on-ground and educational efforts, we grew even stronger in e-commerce as the #1 skincare brand on Shopee and Lazada. Your trust in us and our vision to continuously innovate pushed us to excellence. With award after award, reinforcing Cetaphil's position as a leading skincare brand in the Philippines for every Filipino's sensitive skin. 2026 has just begun, and we're not slowing down. As the category leader for sensitive skincare, Cetaphil will be unstoppable and ready to bring more expert-led innovations and experiences for everyone's sensitive skin.